there, beautiful souls. We have a oracle card reading for you today to help attune your sacral chakra to its highest frequencies. We're going to bring in a card from the well matrix chakra, from the earth, and then from the higher realms we will be having a card. Actually, just that one. We're not going to take one from the higher realms. So our first card is for the sacral, and we have Grayson Perry from the Art Oracles. Themes with it are scratch at the surface until your fingers bleed. Meaning separates art from craft. Try something new, the old-fashioned way. And to further ruminate on this, we have the writing saying, in 2003, Grayson Perry accepted the Turner Prize, dressed as his female second self, Claire, and congratulated the electoral committee on finally recognizing, in his words, a transvestite potter. The potter part is the tougher sell in the art world, where craft is often the backup dancer to concept. Working in deceptively traditional media such as ceramics and textiles, Perry uses techniques such as scripito and photographic transfers to address contemporary subjects, including global and domestic violence, environmental emergency, his own troubled childhood, ugly politics, and all that sex stuff. His marriage to psychotherapist Philippa Perry is probably more boring than it sounds. And we're going to take one more card from this deck, and we have also Diane Arbus. Look directly at whatever you're avoiding. The bullseye is always in the margins. Listen when a city tells its secrets. Diane Arbus began as a commercial and fashion photographer with her then husband, Alan, but she was always more interested in the fringes. Wandering New York's morgues and forgotten corners, Arbus saw her light in the city's shadows. After separating from Alan, she made a name for herself, taking head-on photographs of people in the margins, the so-called ordinary freaks, outsiders, and society's castaways. She took her own life in 1972 and remains as controversial and influential now as she was in her lifetime. So to add a little extra oomph to those two cards, we have from the Myths and Mermaids on behalf of the Well Matrix Chakra, the card Stardust Angel. A dazzling beauty floats on the water, but her gaze is fixed towards the night sky. Her soulful eyes seek guidance from the heavens that are radiantly reflected in her hair. We all have someone in our lives that we can look to as a role model, somebody who can guide us in times of trouble or uncertainty. Now is just such a time, and it is in your best interest to turn to this person or to follow his or her example. Their wisdom, good sense, and strong moral compass are precisely what you need to get your own life back on your preferred path. Okay, so tomorrow we will be doing the solar chakra. Please join me. It's been great. Thanks so much.